Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Fisker, just a few minutes ago, we have heard potentially, we have to say that, right? We have to be a responsible channel. This is not roaring kitty after all. We're here to help and support people. Potentially, we have a short squeeze in operation imminently because I've got some news for you and volume that could explode this stock. Really, and when I say explode the stock, we're talking $4 or $5 in minutes if it happens. What we've got is a potential deal. We heard about it last night in the earnings, but today it looks like it's happening with NISSAN. I'm going to share with you this information. This video, could go viral today once we put this out. Fisker could short squeeze today. This could happen in the after hours to catch everybody out as we've got a weekend around the corner. This could be huge. A lot of people would have missed this. And I hope you'll share this video out because if we get any more volume at all, it's going to explode like a champagne bottle. I'm not joking. I'm absolutely serious. Let me try to put that in context. It could be a little bit like this. Boom! There we go. There comes a short squeeze straight out of the top. That's what a short squeeze is when everybody starts to buy in all at the same time. All the shorts start having to cover their positions. They start buying in. And that's what we had, of course, with GameStop. All right. But this is a very different thing. So this could happen, boom, in minutes. And it could explode and the stock could be $4 or $5. And let me cover the news. If you are new here, this has just happened seconds ago. Smash the like button, share this video out. Every single investor for Fisker today needs to be sharing this post out and put it out because all we need to do is crush the shorters and the stock is $4 or $5. And many of you are going to get very, very rich very, very quickly. But I have to put a disclaimer here. This is not guaranteed by any means, but it's all lined up. What is the news? This has just come out some moments ago. We're going to share it. This is literally brand new news. It's only landed literally 9 minutes ago. 9 minutes ago. This is as new as you can get. This is the news. Exclusive. NISSAN, Fisker in advanced talks on investment partnership. Last night we heard about it. That it was rumored, but they couldn't tell you anymore. All Henrik Fisker said was, I'm very confident. Well, we've heard that before, but this is the news. Exclusive. NISSAN, Fisker in advanced talks on investment. Now, this does not mean it's going to happen. But even if it doesn't happen, if the stock pops to $4 or $5, which it could, if we get this rumor starts building up. Well, it's not a rumor. This is actually fact. This is news that's actually happening. The stock can go to $4 or $5, and it won't matter what happens after that. You'd have made yourself a very, very nice profit indeed. At that case, you'd be looking about an 8x. From where we are now, an 8x is on the cut, and it's going as we speak. It's starting to pump as we speak. Look at it. It's starting to move now. We've got huge volume. Let me come back into it. We were 47% down. We're 23%. We've gained nearly 25% in the last few minutes already. It's moving. Let me share with you the volume as well. Literally, guys, if everyone shares this video, we are going to pop. We have got average volume, 50 million. The volume now is 231 million, and it's going up in the right direction. This could be a short squeeze like GameStop. We're going to stick with this. This is very, very exciting. Let's look at we're talking Fisker, FSR. Apologize for that. Fisker, let's go. Look, we have the intrinsic value of $419. That's the intrinsic value. If you look at the stock, we've got 73.1 million moving up. We've got a potential S-curve here. We've got 2.4 billion in assets, of which 529 is cash. But what's important is this number down here, the short squeeze position, 28.42. Anything over 20 is exceptional. excessive and could instigate a short squeeze. It's still going. It's still going. We are now moving up. Let me bring the numbers in. Let me share with you on this screen what it actually looks like. So we are heading up. We're not overbought right now, though. Just slightly coming over the channel of overbought, but not excessive. Still plenty of room. There's that big green candle coming in. Look at that. That was a whopper. That was a whopper. Let's look at the level 2 data, which is not reliable. Please do not take this as a crystal ball. Level 2 data is suggesting the stock is going up. Bids are coming in, but be very careful. That is not reliable. Okay. We've got 11,000 shares coming in at 53 cents. It's moving very, very quickly. What have we got? 9,000 shares coming in. Let's move down. 180,000 shares. 180,000 shares at 51. Someone's about to buy 180,000 shares at 51 cents. I don't think they're going to get it. And of course, people will start changing their positions very, very quickly. Look at that. Let's see how many people have joined in as sharing this video. This is now an opportunity for a short squeeze, just like GameStop. Yes, 101 people are with us. The numbers are going up. Everybody now tap the... Oh, I just got electric shock. Bloody hell. Everyone, I just literally got an electric shock off my equipment. It's getting that hot. Smash the like button. Everybody now share this out. It's about to short squeeze. It could do it with just a bit more of a push. Let's get it going. Are you ready? I'm not in the stock. I'm not manipulating this in any way. This is just what it could do, okay? This is a good sign. How many likes have we got on the video? Let's go. Go. Right, 6 likes. Refresh the screen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6 likes. We've now got 27. Okay, it's moving quickly. 109 people in the stream. Every single person now. If you want to make some money and kill all the short interest, click the share button. Share this out onto social media and we can absolutely clean up now. I'm not in the stock, but you can. Share. Tap the like button. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 27 likes. 30. How many people are in? 100 people in. It's going up. Let's go back to it. We're starting to move now. Share this video out. There you go. Look at the buying coming in. 65,000 shares at 53 cents. 65,000 at 53 cents. Moving up, what have we got down the list here? 26,000 at 50 cents. You're not going to get that now. You're not going to get that now. The news is out. It's just come out a few moments ago. Very, very exciting. What's the comments? MSK, let's go. There's another chance for that 419. Someone just loaded 3 million shares of Fisker FSR. I was damn close to dropping everything. Flipping out, Sam. You're allowed to get your words mixed up, Martin. You're under the weather, but you're also the rocket man. That's right. What's happening? What's happening is a potential short squeeze is about to occur for Fisker live on the show. This is the news. Here it is. This has just broke some moments ago. Very exciting. Exclusive NISSAN deal. Fisker in advanced talks on investment. And because of that, the stock is pumping. It could short squeeze at any moment and it will go up and up to $4 to $5. We have now got volume of 231 million in the right direction. Let's look again. We're now at 279 million. It's going. 279 million. A short squeeze is very, very likely. Smash the like button, click subscribe and ring the bell and share this video out. You've got to get involved right now. This is a huge day for Fisker. The day everyone's waited for. It's up to you. Share. Let's go over to the news. It's just come out a few moments ago. Very, very exciting stuff. How many people are in the show right now? 112. Smash the like button. Click the share here. A short squeeze is imminent. I don't know how much more it needs. 43 likes. Click the share button. Put it on your social media. Share it out. Very, very exciting stuff. We have got a short squeeze which can happen at any moment. It's already starting. It's very rare you get get to see a short squeeze, but it could happen now. Let's go over to the volume on the stock. The volume was 279 million. Very, very nice indeed. We won about 10x. We won about 500 million when it will pop. 279. 281, it's going, it's definitely moving. In the last few minutes of the stock, it's going, of the day. It caught everybody unawares. We are about to get a short squeeze. Boom, there it is. There it is, it's about to happen. Keep it going. Very, very exciting stuff indeed. It could happen at any moment. So if you've just tuned in, this is a very special moment for Fisker. Last night they announced that this could happen. Now, this is not a guarantee by any means, but we are very, very close now to a full-scale short squeeze. Very rare you see it, but it could happen imminently. Boom! We are ready for it. We are excited. It could happen at any moment now. We're going to keep on this stream. We're not going anywhere at all. And we're going to stay right here. Let me just get rid of the fireworks a moment. They're taking over the show. Let's go back to the position. What have we got right now? We're looking at... let's have a look. We've got 281 million. Let's refresh it again. Let's bring it up again. And what have we got now? 281, 284 million. We need about 500 million for 10x. That's what we need for it to absolutely explode. Okay, so we're on the way. We're over halfway now, and it's getting very, very exciting indeed. You could see it live on the show. It could happen. Now, the level 2 data is heavily manipulated. Remember, it doesn't guarantee anything, but you can now see the stock moving. We've gained about 30% in the last 10 minutes, so it's starting to go. If you've just tuned in, click subscribe and ring the bell. Share this out with everyone. So very rarely you get to see a short squeeze. It's just starting, with a bit more volume, we'll be there. You will see it go to $4 to $5. That could easily happen, but the shorters now are starting to think, well, what do I do? Do I cover my positions? What do I do? Do I get out? Do I buy the stock? Do we get the short squeeze? Well, we're about to find out. I think it could be a night for celebrations. Boom! That's what a short squeeze is, just like that when it kicks in. Let me read all the comments. Antonio Dela Cruz, what's happening? What you're witnessing here is a short squeeze in action. It's just beginning with some more volume, more buying in. Okay, we're now seeing we're now seeing the negative pressure, the selling piling in a little bit, people taking profits. Now, if you didn't believe in the stock and you're going to sell it right now, then why did you buy it in the first place? We shall see who wins this battle tonight, but it's very, very exciting. This is the news that broke some moments ago. We covered it live on the show. Here it is, exclusive. Fisker in advanced talks on investment partnership. This has just come out some moments ago. I'll read a bit more. NISSAN is in advanced talks to invest in electric vehicle maker Fisker in a deal that could provide the Japanese automaker with access to an electric pickup truck while giving the struggling startup a financial lifeline, according to the two people familiar with the negotiations. The deal could close this month, said the resources, who asked not to be identified because the talks are ongoing and have not been finalized. So it's been leaked. Terms being discussed include NISSAN investing $400 million in Fisker's truck platform and building Fisker's planned Alaska pickup starting in 2026 at one of its U.S. assembly plants. One of the sources said NISSAN would build its own electric pickup on the same platform. The source said NISSAN has U.S. assembly plants in Mississippi and Tennessee. Fisker said on Thursday when it announced it might not be able to continue as a going concern and would cut 15% of its workforce, that it was in talks with a large automaker for potential investment and joint development partnership. It did not name the automaker. No, it didn't. This has just happened. We'll carry on reading the information for you. A Fisker spokesman said the company does not comment on speculation, while NISSAN officials were not immediately available for comment. Fisker Fisker shares were off more than 43% on Friday, giving the company a market cap of 222 million, literally collapsing. Right, we're now at 284 million. Let me refresh the screen. We are now at 292 million. We need about 500 million for an all-out short attack. Short attack, assault, and squeeze. Okay, let's carry on. Let's read a bit more information. Let's have a look here. Reporting by... okay, we don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. Okay, we've got everything we need from there. Let's come back now to the main stock and see how it's moving. 56%, 56 cents now. Down, and that's gone from where we were at 42. Let me come back to here a minute. Fisker, beg your pardon. We were down this morning at... well, where were we? We were down... okay, I'm just change this screen a minute. Bear with me a second. This is happening very, very quickly. Let me bring that up into focus. Just put that there. Okay, just down a little bit. We can see it's starting to move. Come on, Fisker. Let me just get that right. There you go. That's better. Let me come on with the more. Let me come back to the comments and see what we've got. This is happening very, very quickly. Let's have a look. Raman, MSK. I had lowered my average price today. That's it. Dollar cost averaging. As long as you believed in it on the first place, then why wouldn't you believe in it now? 292 volume is now. We want 500. That's what we need. 294. It's going up. 294. And in the last half an hour, this could short squeeze going into the after hours. Catch everybody out over the weekend. That's what's about to occur. It looks like that. The volume looks like that. It looks very, very nice indeed. This morning we were down 44%, and we're now down just 24. So as you can see, this has gained a massive amount during the day. Let me have a quick read here. Let's go MSK. Crag, what do you think it will do? Says Mike. Raman, I got more too after some selling. Do you have any shares in this, Martyn? No. Full disclosure, I am not Roaring Kitty. I do not pump and dump stocks. I only own the S&P. I don't pump stocks. I am media. I am here to support my members. I'm here to bring you facts. I'm here to bring you a channel. I'm here to support people. I do not own the stock. It makes no difference to me whether it goes up, down, or sideways. Here is my portfolio. This is my real money, all of my money in the world. I am worth 71,642. I will prove that to you. If I look at my S&P, you can see no one can ever accuse me of being a pump and dump channel. They try to. Look, 100% of my money in my main account is in the S&P. If I go over now to the Roth IRA, my other account, 100% is in the S&P. My total balance is 71,600. That's it. I am not here. It makes no difference to me whether the stock goes up, down, or sideways, but I do want to support my members and giving them the latest information, the best information, and help them make money. That's what my channel is about. It's not about me. And if I wanted to make money out of this event, what I would do is not be live.
No other channel has this amount of information and resources on a day-to-day basis. Phenomenal work, Martyn.
Thank you. It's to help you all make money. It's not about me, okay? If I wanted to make money, I would just report this video. I would just make a video, and I'd make a lot more money than going live. I'm live all day, every day. Going live is not what it's about. It's about making the videos. That's where you get the maximum ad revenue, not live streams. And even if I do make money from ad streams, that's not what this channel is about. It's about helping people, okay? Always will be, always has been. Always has been, always will be. That's the better way of saying it. All right, now I do apologize. I did cut off that comment there. We are recording this. This will be as a video later on after all this dies down. But I'm adding all this in now. I want to replay back because I did actually miss that, and I apologize for talking over your comment. And just so much is happening so quickly. I want to make sure that we've covered everything and don't miss anything. Let me just replay that back.
This channel is amazing. No other channel has this amount of information and resources on a day-to-day basis. Phenomenal work, Martyn.
Thank you very much indeed. Raman, yes, it's negotiations. Remember, this is not a guaranteed short squeeze, but it's extremely likely. I would say the chance of a full-blown short squeeze now is something like 90%. The short interest is like 24. We've had a huge volume increase today. Good news, but this is not a guarantee, not a confirmation, but it does look that way. It's all over the news. I am looking on the internet. DG, Martyn is only in the S&P, so he is impartial. Absolutely. 100%. I do not benefit from promoting this video. This is for your benefit and your benefit alone. And that's why Yardstick just gave me a super chat. He appreciates the content. He's going to make money. You're all going to make a lot of money. So Yardstick, that was very kind of you to give me a super chat. I have 500 at $3.99. Eric, that's your average. Are you buying the dip? I noticed the volume was just going higher and higher and higher. I felt, wait a minute. All it needs is some big OEM news, and that's what we've got. Let's stay with this video. Whoa, this is hard work to keep it going at this tempo, but that's what we need to do. We need to do this. If you want to make money tonight, all you got to do is share it out. 304 million. We are 2/3 of the way there. 500 million will do it. 10 times average will do it. 304 million. Okay, it's getting serious here in the show. So a lot of you now are about to make a lot of money, and I hope it happens for you. Doesn't happen for me. It's going to happen for you. So this never happens. But it's going to happen now because I'm trying to keep up with the pace of this. I'm trying to keep up with the news. And if I don't do this now, literally my head is going to pop. Right. So this has never happened on my show because I've never witnessed a full-blown short squeeze. And we are as close to a short squeeze as you're ever going to get. So you ready? What am I going to do? I can't continue at this pace like this. So what we're going to do, the jacket comes off. It's a short squeeze. The tie comes off. I can't keep at this pace all buttoned up. There you go. There you go. I thought my flipping head was going to come off my shoulders then for a minute. That's better. I'm now more comfortable. We're ready. Let me have a sip of my tea. Let's get ready. Okay, let's keep with it. Let's keep with it just for a minute. We got some profit taking at the moment. Will it pop, then drop? Well, your guess is as good as mine, but the amount of volume coming in on the upside is colossal. So, and with the amount of short interest we already have on the stock, every chance that this will pop. The deal needs to go through. It does. We will make a lot. Yes, my computer gains are spinning crazy. DJ Game Stream, MSK, I'm really happy for you. It's going back up because I bought in for fun, and you really bought a lot. Yes, indeed. Appreciate that. MSK loves it. Holy feck, the Fisker is a roller coaster ride. Yes, it is. Are we gonna get rich? Well, honestly, you can get rich now. There's no doubt about it. It won't affect me. It won't make me any money. I'm not here for me. I'm here for my viewers, all right? If you want to get rich today, if you want the short squeeze to go full blown, we're 2/3 of the way there for the volume. We need a bit more volume, a bit more uptrend. So how do you get that? Well, this is how you do it. Let me give it to you right now. Here is my video. It's starting to trend on YouTube. We have 186 people watching. Everyone subscribing. Click the share button and click the like button. Put this on every social media platform. Text it, email it, Facebook, X, Instagram. Tell the world there's a short squeeze, like a GameStop scale short squeeze that could happen at any moment. It's already beginning and it's starting to build. Short interest will start to get fearful. On Reddit, on stock twits, all the shorters will start attacking me soon. Start saying, "Oh my God, we're gonna lose our money." And Martyn Lucas is pumping the stock. Let them know I am not pumping the stock. I do not own the stock. Right, how many likes have we got? Smash the like button, every single person. Smash the like button and share. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 43 is now 68. 68. I gotta be honest, guys, that is rubbish. We could do far better than that. We're 179. Now that means only 80 people thereabouts are signed in, 50%, but we should have at least 80 likes. We get way more than that on any other video. So come on, 68. You can do better than that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Share it, like it. For God's sake, it's your money. 68. Come on, I don't know what you're waiting for. You've never had an opportunity like this. Maybe we got a lot of shorters watching the video and they're down liking the video and they're doing the very opposite of sharing. I don't know what the opposite of sharing would be. Not do it? I don't know. Anyway, I want to see all those shorters lose their money. I hate shorting. I've never shorted a stock in my life, but I hate the mentality of it. We're 55 cents now. Any time now. What if in the after hours it goes up? Are we going to get rich, says Randy B. You very likely will. It's not going to 4. Be realistic. Getting ready to go back yesterday's levels would be welcome. Facts, it could easily go to 4. Shall we look at the numbers? I'll share with you again the numbers. These aren't numbers I plucked out the sky. 28.42 is the short interest. Okay, 28.42 is the short interest. We've got sentiment. Let's have a look at the sentiment today. It was bad 7 days ago. Today it's bad. This news hasn't come out yet. So all the sentiment is bad. All the it's all negative at the moment. It's all about the shorters. But let's look at the upside. The upside is 495%. Wall Street predict 495% upside. Don't tell me this isn't possible. 1,400 upside. A 10x. A 10x is right there. 10x, in fact, more than that, actually. 14x, actually. Yeah, 14x. $6.30. I say $4, so I'm not that far off. $4 is not out of it. What else can I show you? I can show you the balance sheet, the cash. It's all right there. I can also give you the intrinsic value. The intrinsic value of 419.
Has become a member.
Jay Lucas, thank you for your membership. I will give you all your perks and benefits later. We're just in the middle of a historic short squeeze, so I haven't got the time to do it right now, but thank you very much indeed. What we're going to do now is we're going to have to do this because we're getting too busy in the chat. A lot of people need answers. A lot of people are asking questions. So again, it's not good for me to do this, but I'm going to do what's best for my viewers, okay? I'm going to actually lose some of my viewers now. But that doesn't matter. It's not about the viewers. It's not about subscribers. It's not about YouTube ads. It's about my members that want to know what's going on. So we're going members only, so I can only see, only members can comment to me now. I want to be able to answer everyone's questions. So it can easily go to $4. All right, we are now at, what are we now? 52 cents. We're getting some profit taking again. The volume now, let me refresh the volume again. It was 304. We need 500 million for a full blown out short squeeze, which would be 10 times average. We are at 318. And this is all in the upwardly direction. Very, very nice indeed. Okay, some of you have thought now, I'm going to take some profit here. That would be a huge, huge mistake, but it's up to you. I understand why you might want to do that. You felt you've lost a lot of money, but that's fine. I get it. Let's have a look. I felt more bad for Buckaroo because it sounded like over half of his portfolio was FSR. Buckaroo has gone all in. How many people are sharing the video now? Let me have a look. Now then, if you are not a member, but you'd like to have a conversation, you'd like to have a voice, there is a way for you to do this. We are live on the extras channel. This is open to everyone, but the main channel is for members only. There is in the chat the extra channel. This is running here in the background. So you can hear what's going on. This is the behind the scenes. You can have this channel open, but you can chat in the extra channel. So if you want to chat with me and you want to chat with everybody, you can in the extra channel. It's running there. I've just given you the link in the chat. All right, let's keep on going. Let's get through all our comments now. Eric B, yes, it's going up, rocking up. I'm 100 shares at 8% portfolio. Martin, put your static bracelet on. Yes, I should have that, shouldn't I? Yes. Natasha Simovic, hello to you. The shorts are trying to knock it down. They're trying and they're doing a good job at the moment. Go FSR. I can't repeat that next question. Matthew Kelly, go Fisker. I love you guys. Hey, all huge today. News is blowing up. Reuters. CBS is going crazy. I got all sell orders for FSR at 15. I'm over optimistic. FSR is now sitting on the top of the list in Questrade. Highest activity stocks. There it goes. Matthew Kelly, pop the cork. Shall we do it again? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's pop the cork. There it goes. Boom. That's what we're talking about. It's starting to happen. Short sellers are fighting back now. Not selling FSR below $10, says Gene. What's up with Fisker? We got the news about the Nissan deal. It's going to pop. Well, it only will pop if you all share the video and get behind it. There's not enough short or call option in the market to make a short squeeze. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. We are way over that number. Why is it going up so much? Because of the news of the Fisker deal, and it was oversold last night. 26% is a little high, not GME a high, but perhaps enough. Short interest, that is. Well done for catching it so fast, Martin. You're very welcome. My members did this for me. That's what the membership's all about, so we don't miss anybody, all right? That's why we're members only. Martin, Virgin Galactic is actually doing well too. There really isn't much difference in price. Ramen, great stuff. Didn't even hear about this until you covered it. 24, that's why we have the members. They report the news to me. Okay. Don't sell. Hold the shorts are waiting in the closet. I never sold. Imagine $5. So glad I bought more at 38 this morning. Hold, Eric B said MSK. Let's go. Ha ha Fisker. Hold, hold, hold. There is that super chat I got from earlier. Rich, if and only if the deal closes, be careful. Jeffrey Diamond, welcome back as a member. Imagine VFS situation here as well would be beyond nuts. I am roaring Eric. Bye, 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 bye. There we go. 300 million, Natasha Simovic. This can easily become a play like Carvana. They went from sub 5 to over $80. Right, the short sellers are coming in again now. People are taking profit. Is it the next round? What's going on? Neil, if this hits $5, I could afford a Tesla. I got 500 shares at 55 cents. Why would it short squeeze at 500 million? Because that's about the average. If we get enough volume going upwards, that's what it'll do. It's only a sort of an experience guide. You keep saying following 500 will start a short squeeze. Why? Where are you getting and making that number from? 10 times daily average doesn't mean anything. Yes, it does. Are you one of the short sellers? I don't think you're one of my members. We're coming to members only questions now. That's what I'm thinking. Let's go, 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 go. I'm very excited. That makes fun to watch. Martin's about to explode. Calm down. It will go 25% down again, says Jordan Allen. On $1, Martin will take his bottoms off. Historical live show. Short squeeze is coming. Well, it's not guaranteed, folks. You all need to start sharing this and sharing it around optimistically and buying it. How many people are now sharing the video? Let me go back to that now. Let's have a quick look. Here we go. We got 68 likes, 200 people watching. We need to move this stock. And remember, I'm not in it. I've just proved I'm not Roaring Kitty. My real name is Martyn Lucas. I'm here to help people. I don't benefit from this going up, down, or sideways. All right. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 68 now is 99. At 100, YouTube will start suggesting the video. We want one more to get over 100. We have 200 watching. And then YouTube will suggest this video and it will start to trend. Okay. So let's try again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Have we got 100 yet? We want to get it out. That can't be right. 99. 99. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it to move. 100. Okay, YouTube will start suggesting it now. Everybody tap the like button and share it out. There's a share button underneath the video. This is your money. It's not my money. I'm here to help people. That's all I want to do is see everyone get rich tonight. I would love it. I would love everyone to say they've just made a load of money. I don't want the shorters to win. Now, people are taking profit. We are getting some profit taking now. Let's have a quick look. It's going down very, very quickly. People bought it and sold it straight away. You don't have faith in your own stock. I don't understand it. Everything is there. You've got the NISSAN deal now all over social media. You've got the situation with the short position. You've got the opportunity to take this to $4. Just share it. That's all you've got to do. MSK, when you get your back average, will you sell? But why do you keep saying it will happen at 500 million? I don't understand why volume should start. Why volume? Let me explain. Here is how a short squeeze works. For those that don't know, here is how a short squeeze works. This is what happens. People can buy the stock or they can do options. People that are doing options can either bet for the stock going up or they can bet the stock going down. Right now, a lot of people have taken out options contracts. It's like a hitman contract, if you like, an assassination contract, if you like, on the fact that they believe that Fisker is going down. And if it goes down, you remember Michael Burry, the great short squeeze. If the stock goes down, they win, okay? They win a lot of money. They are betting on the stock going down. They've not actually bought it. They've bought a contract, an options contract, and they are betting that the stock will go down. And if it goes down to a certain point, they make a lot of money, okay? That's how it works. However, if the stock, you've got people buying the stock, like all of you, I presume, you're buying the stock, you're holding the stock, you're out of the money, your stock's gone down, you're buying more, but you're stuck, you're out of the money, okay? The short sellers, they've been buying contracts, pushing the price down. They're the ones who are benefiting from the stock going down. What happens is, when we get some great news, like this news now, which is coming out all over social media about the NISSAN deal, which was hinted at last night, what happens is people start buying the stock more, okay? So more people start buying the stock. So those short sellers have to decide what they're going to do with their contracts, okay? They have to cover their contracts. So what they're going to do, they've either got to lose all their money or start buying the stock to cover their contracts. So what happens is you've got everybody who likes the stock, who is bullish, they're buying it. And now you've also got everybody who's bearish buying it as well. This is what a short squeeze is. They have no choice. They lose all their money if they can see it's going up and there's nothing they can do. So they start to buy as well. So now what you've got are the bulls and the bears buying the stock. And that's when the stock explodes because everything is going in the right direction all at the same time. It's like a champagne bottle. The pressure builds and builds and builds and builds and builds, and then boom, the stock goes up exactly like this. Exactly like that. That's the best way to explain it. And then it floods all the way up. So how do we get a short squeeze? We get a short squeeze when a stock has been oversold, has had a lot of bad sentiment around it. A lot of people are betting on it going down. And then the more and more and more short interest builds. Over 20% is excessive. Okay. And we are now excessive. But remember, GameStop short squeeze at 100%. So again, this is not guaranteed. This is not imminent. This is very likely, though, with the volume that we've got. So what we've got now is we've got people buying the stock, obviously, in the right direction because the stock is going up. So the bulls are winning the argument. Shorters are already starting to cover their positions. So we are starting to get a short squeeze already. And if it continues with volume and good sentiment, that's exactly what will happen, a short squeeze. I hope that makes sense to everybody. So right now, the bulls are in control. You have full control over this. I'm the only one on YouTube, as I know, covering this live right now. It only happened a few moments ago. I covered it from the moment it started, and I've been right behind you. I'm not in the stock. I've shown you I don't own the stock. I'm here just to help people, okay? So there we are right now. That's what's happening. So what you need to do, for yourselves, not for my benefit. Doesn't bother me whether you subscribe to me or not. Doesn't make any difference. I only make money when you watch my videos, not my live shows, my videos. That's what makes me money. Or you become a member, or you super chat me, or whatever you like. That's how it works. Okay, so it doesn't bother me, but I want to see you do well. Okay, so right now we need to get everybody. We've got 222 people watching, so 111 of you thereabouts are signing with Google. There are 50% of people, very often the shorters, the trolls, they don't sign to YouTube, they don't sign to anything. They just sit in the dark corners of the world and do nothing. They've got no say, they can't comment, they can't like, they can't do anything. They just sit and watch and worry about they're going to lose all their money. But the rest of you are signed in, and what you can do is tap the like button and the share button that this is a very bullish video that's going on right now. And if enough people think, flipping heck, I can get rich today, they'll buy the stock, and all we need is a bit more interest, and boom, there's your short squeeze. I hope that makes sense. So how many likes do we have now? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 100 has now become 123. I don't know how many people have shared it, but I hope you all have. I want to see it all over social media tonight. And if you tag me in it, so at Martyn Investor, I will reply back to you and help you grow on X and help you get more viewers as well, and do everything I can to support this today. All right, so there you go. We'll refresh it one more time. 123, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's see if we've got a couple more. 129. Yeah, it's starting to move now. Now we're getting suggested on YouTube. Now the numbers are going up at 232. We could easily get 1,000 in now, which is very, very good for our size of channel. And this is so new that no one's really talking about it. Okay, let's go back now to the stock. It's still going up, but it's just, well, we've had some trimming off going on. Let's check the volume now. Let's go back to the volume. The volume was, let me just share with you, 318 million. Let's refresh it now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's refresh it. 318 million. 343 million. Okay, but what we've got now, we can clearly see we do have some selling. You've started to buy it and give up on yourselves a little bit. Well, that's up to you. I can't help you. I can't help you with that. But we are moving into a nice area again. We're not overbought. We're right in the middle of the channel on RSI. So now it's a good time to buy it again. This could be the next round, because what people could do is they bought it, they took profit, made some money, and now they buy it, now they've dumped it again, and now they buy it back a little bit lower and do it again. That's when the short squeeze could really start to kick in. So let's see which direction it's going on level 2. This is not reliable. Looking great, but don't use that as a guide. It's not a crystal ball. It doesn't say what everyone's going to do. 28,000 shares coming in at 48 cents there for a moment there. 28,000 shares at 48 cents. As you can see, it moves very quickly. 28,000, it's gone again. Keeps moving. It's all moving in the right direction again. Let's see what happens in the next few minutes. This could be an after hours explosion. I hope it is for all of you to make a lot of money today. Right, there's a big red candle there. A lot of people did dump the stock. It's on the way back down again. I hope it doesn't run out of steam. Let me read your comments. We're in members only mode now. If you want to continue having your say, you can on the extras channel. Here is the extras channel. Let me give you, whoopsie-daisy, what's going on here? Flipping it, what have I done? Oh, damn it, what's gone here? There we go. Not quite sure what happened there. Let me give everyone the extras channel. This is behind the scenes. This is where I am right now, behind the scenes. You can go there and you can comment. It's open to everyone to comment, but the main channel is members only because we have so many comments. I want to answer everyone's question. But if you want your opinion and your thoughts, that's how you do it over there on the extras channel. Okay, come back to you a minute and let me read all the comments. I want to make sure everybody is answered tonight. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, I bought 0.5 call this morning. I need this win. Ram, good luck to you. Arthur is just selling. He's just selling a dream to your viewers so you can try to get subscribers. I'm out. Ridiculous. Go away. Go away, troll. We know you're a shorter. That's not what my channel's about. Go away. A life enlightened. I'm not trying to get subscribers, you silly little person. I'm the world piano man. I've toured all over the world as the world piano man. I'm not here to get a few subscribers, going live 10 hours a day to get a few subscribers. You silly little person. How short-minded is that? Please go away. Go and watch somebody else. Go and watch Meet Kevin, who'll tell you the world's coming to end just before he gets on his private jet. Or Graham Stepan, who will tell you he's always losing money and he's got like a sports car in his garage. Go away, you silly little person. My 0.5 calls are printing. Vaz, hello. Opening a beer and enjoying. Lovely. Raman, no, I need already made peace with myself that I'm willing to support the company if it gets the big OEM. I shared to Facebook groups. Fantastic, Wrath. A life enlightened jet. I think he's just playing into our emotions, honestly. No, Arthur. Absolutely not. That's not what's going on at all. Raman, X is blowing up with Fisker. There you go. No surprise at all. Starbuck became a member. Here comes a comment. This will come out in a minute. Raman, why do you think you'll take profit? 4,810 volume on 0.50 calls. Good luck to you, Neil. No problem. Raman, MSK reaches $419. If it reaches $490, I'm leaving the country, mate. Raman, there we go. Ha ha, MSK. Wow. Let's stay positive. I'm liking and sharing and commenting on X for anything FSR. Congratulations. That's the way to do it. Can't buy one Fisker. No money. Bill, I'm glad you're here, my friend. Eric B, I'm ready to buy 1,000 if it drops. Bill, remember, it's not the money, it's the percent. Look at the Discord stock news. Done that. All I can do is pray for luck. I'm not selling nothing. I did something quick. DD, I did some quick due diligence. Nissan did a similar deal with Renault. Looking good. Jeffrey Diamond, thank you for that information. There you go. Information just in from Jeffrey Diamond, one of our members, so not one of our silly little people who come and try to ruin the party for their own gain, again, as always. Did some quick due diligence, and the same deal happened for Renault. There you go. Silly little troll. Yeah, all they care about is themselves, and they think I'm here for a few flipping subscribers. Really? Do your research on me, all right? I'm not here for a few subscribers. That's ridiculous. Hang on, we got a comment.
Martyn is the absolute governor when it comes to the markets. Keep up the great work. Brilliant stuff.
You're very, very welcome, Simon Tripp. Thank you so much indeed. I'm glad you're all doing well today. Nonny315, bell. The bell has just gone. We're in the after hours. I missed the bell because I'm focusing on this right now. Okay, I've got through all the members' questions, so now I'm able to go back to non-members again. I hope that silly little person doesn't come back. He said, what did he say? He said, I'm out. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? He said he's out. How much do you want to bet me he's still here? Shall we have a look? This will tell you if he's a shorter or not. What was his name? What was his name? Let me scroll back. Let me have a quick look. What was his name? A life enlightened. Okay. If he's still here, it proves to me he is absolutely, yes, he's still here. There you go. You're still here. You're still here. This proves to me that that's a troll or a shorter. He just said to me, everybody, I'm out of the stock. This guy is just trying to get subscribers. I'm out of here, blah, 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 blah. And all he cares about is subscribers. I'm out of here. Well, guess what? He's still here. He's still here. So he's a silly little person, got no place here on the stock market. He's just trying to benefit himself, trying to make money for himself, and doesn't care about the company, doesn't care about you, and does nothing to contribute whatsoever. Just comes into my show, tries to spread false information, and then the best he can come up with is, oh yeah, he's doing it for subscribers. I'm the world piano man. I've toured all over the world in theatres and concert halls. I don't need to be here. I'm here because I like to help people. And I do not like when you get silly little people like that come in just to try and ruin it for everybody else. So go away. And I think it's hilarious when you said, I'm going, and guess what? He's still here. He didn't go anywhere. All right, there you go. We're open again now to the public. We want to give everyone the chance. If it gets too busy, I'll go members only. Sorry, Martyn, I was just in doubt because you weren't answering my question, but it was really busy. Arthur, I can't answer that's why I went members only. I'm not ignoring you, but I'm the only channel on YouTube TV that actually answers every single question. Nobody does that. Nobody's crazy enough to do it. I answer everyone's question, but when it's too busy, I go members only. That's why we have members. They support the show. They get many, many perks given to them because they're members, and I answer everyone's question. So when it's too busy, I have to go members only. So you're not ignored. I just have to filter it to members only. If you were a member, I would answer your question, but no apology necessary. But don't associate yourself with that silly little troll who came in, who tries to make himself rich at the expense of everybody else, and then tries to use me as the reason because I want a few flipping subscribers. Silly little troll. Anyway, Vincent Vosberg, I hope a short squeeze happens, but it would have to reach $1 to make me pull the trigger. Here we go. Here is a life enlightened. I hold over 20,000 shares, and you are calling me a short or okay, dude. Don't call me a dude. We don't know if you have any shares. You could make this up. I'm not interested in your point of view anymore. You were rude, you were disrespectful, and you've not done your research on me, and you think I'm here for a few subscribers. Well, that might be of use to you in your world to gain a handful of subscribers. For me, it's not important. For me, it's about helping people. I've made my fame and fortune. I'm here to help people. So you can just call somebody else a dude and stop wasting my time. Go DB, afternoon all, how are you? Jim, if I subscribe and pay $2.99, what do you include? Do you do these updates on stocks ready squeeze often? Jim, if you become a member, it's not about $2.99. It's just so we can verify your account. It's not about the money. What you get as a member is if you ask any of my members, 98% of my live viewers are members, the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube TV, even more than Mr. Beast. He would love everybody to be a member of his channel. They are 98% of my live viewers are members. What you get as a member, if you become a member, there are members-only live streams. There are members-only chats. There are members. I reply to all of my members when it gets too busy. As a member, you can ask me to review a stock, and I will do a full research video and make it for you. I'll also do an earnings for you. If you ask me to do an earnings, I'll get up early or work late. Up to 12 hours a day, I'm in the studio live. The members are members to support the live streams. That's why they're members. And in return, I give back 20 times what they put in. Also, on your birthday, you will get a birthday party live on the show. I'm the World Piano Man. People pay $500 for that. You get that for free as being a member of my channel. You also, we got a newsletter. We have cash giveaways. You don't have to be a member for the giveaways, but I'm just mentioning that. I will respond to all of your comments. If you reply to any of my comments, if you reply to any of the videos on YouTube, I will reply back to you. I will answer all your questions. I will, is that enough? I mean, the list goes on and on. You got access to Discord. You can be one of my researchers, send in information, and I will include it in the show. Well, the reason why we got to hear about Fisker today wasn't because of me, it was because I had the best community in the world. One of my members alerted me to it, and I was able to bring it to you because they are able to share links on Discord. They can also phone into the show and provide the services and have someone to speak to. They can also access our 24-hour stream for 24-hour support. The list goes on and on and on. That's just some of the things that you get as a member. You can poll the audience, ask a question. We also have members days where I will actually make a reply video to your question, actually make a reply video, not just a comment. I've dedicated my life to help people. There you go.
Do it, Jim, trust me.
There you go. There's one of our members. But we're not trying to sell you anything. I'll never email you anything unless it's my newsletter, which is every few weeks, very rarely. I will never message you on any social media and say, hey, be a friend of mine, or, buy my stuff. I don't sell any training programs. Never will, never have, never will. That's what you get as a member. I hope that helps answer your question. Okay, All in Line, you don't have 20,000 shares. Yeah, he's talking absolute rubbish. After become a member, and he will answer questions. That's right. I'm getting up and up. Arrow marker and stock still moving. 5,000 shares bought. If you have trolls, then you don't. Then you're doing the right thing. Oh, I have lots of trolls. Lots of people pretend to be me on YouTube, TikTok, X, Facebook, Discord. They all pretend to be me and try to scam people. They're not me. I don't message anybody, so don't get caught out of that. 5,000 shares just bought. Thank you. Martyn is the bloody dogs, so he deserves all the accolades that come with razzle dazzle. Jordan Allen, I love it. I was tanked last night with earnings, and like an iron butterfly, I'm in the green again. Fantastic. And by the way, this is my actual portfolio. If you want to have I ever made any money? I started with $5,000 a couple of years ago here on YouTube. Oh, new member.
Shanna Talk has become a member.
Thank you very much indeed, Shanna Took. You've heard all the perks. If you want access to Discord, here it is. It takes 10 minutes to get through security. There you go. I'll give it to you right now. This is the link to Discord. This is my alpha spread where I use the most advanced. Oh, another one, Jim.
Jim Debussy has become a member.
Thank you, Jim. Here is the Alpha Spread. All my members get a lifetime discount to Alpha Spread, the most advanced algorithmic software. Jim Cramer, Mad Money, they do not get ranked on Alpha Spread. I do. Bloomberg, CNN, they're all below my reviews on Alpha Spread, the best algorithmic software in the world. There it is. All my members get a lifetime discount to that. There is Stockwits. There is the music channel. There is the membership link. There is Discord. There is my X account. There's the all links. And there is the extra channel, the 24-hour feed as well. There's so much stuff I'm trying to give you right now. There it is. Let's keep on going. Let's answer all these questions for everybody. Let me put all that out a minute. There you go. Right. If you're short, cover this is Nissan. Oh.
Rick Steventon has become a member.
Another member. Thank you very much indeed. 98% of our live viewers are members, more than any other channel on YouTube TV. Short squeeze, pre-market on Monday. Gene Haas. 5,000 here too. Hey, Henrik, Fisker, talk on Bloomberg Technology. Great, I'll try and catch that. It shows 50 cents now. Let's have a look at 51. You're a little bit behind me. I'm getting through the questions as much as I can. He explained that short sellers are the same as option buyers. He's life enlightened. Come on, stop trying to discredit the show, right? If you want to be part of the show, call in. Become a member and call in. Be live on the show. You can be live on the show. Do you want to call on the show?
Stock review.
There you go. All members. Shanna, you just got a free review. Shanna, you've just had, there is the live phone in. If you want to call into the show, just become a member and you can call in live to the show. Ask me how, and I will tell you. You don't need any software. I've taken care of all of that, but you can call in live to the show. Now then, Shanna, you have just got a stock review. If you are a member, you can request a review, and you have to do a super chat to get to the top of the list. And Yardstick has just bought you a free review. So Shanna, if you request a stock review, I will record up to 1 hour video just for you. Review the stock. We will trend number one on YouTube within about a week. We trend now for nearly all our stocks number one on YouTube. If you'd like that, then you can. All right, it's been bought for you by Yardstick. As a recent FSR buyer, this doesn't make me want to buy more. It makes me want to buy NSANE, a Nissan, or buy Nissan. That's a good way of looking at it too. I am liking you. Kid Rocks, a life N. I am liking you. I am liking you. Kick rocks. Yeah, kick him out. Well, everyone has a voice here. We will only bar somebody if they are rude. If they are rude and offensive, we'll ban them. If they challenge me, that's fine. Don't mind that.
Jim, you just got a free stock review.
Jim, you've got a stock review as well. Request away. Okay, Martyn, transparency rocks. Always. You can ask me anything you want. I will answer it. You can call in and challenge me. I'm fine. I will share with you my bank balance, all the money I have in the world. I will share with you my whole life. My whole life is in this studio, 12 hours a day. I'm live behind the scenes every day. I will answer all your questions. You can sit and watch me picking my nose and farting if you want. I mean, should you find that entertaining after the show finishes, I'm here doing all of that. So, it's a real show, okay? It's real human, all right?
Rick, you got the last free stock review for today, lol.
Flipping it, that's 3 reviews bought by Yardstick. Literally, he's paid for your reviews. I cannot believe it. When I get to the reviews, I'm going to see if we've got any. You've gained a subscriber. Love your attitude toward the trolls and short sellers. Where can I go to sign up for membership? Crisp, this is how you become a member. There you go. If you're on an iPhone, you just request a browser, and then you just request the desktop version. What is the volume like? Back to Fisker. Here we go. I'm trying to get through. I might have to go members only again in a second to get through all the questions. 358 million. 358 million now. Let me bring it back up on the screen. 358 million. It's going up again. Yep, it's going back up again. 358 million. Very nice indeed. And what's the volume like? Thanks so much. I love your energy. I'll be signing up as soon as possible. Let's make some money. Become a member for the stock review and the happy birthday song. Chris, join the team. Life, please calm down and be nice. Chris, go to the website and join to look before the video. I have gotten 19 times my investment with Martyn Lucas. 19 times. Let's focus on FSR. Vincent Vosberg, enough. Glad I stumbled on your channel. Keep sending the high vibes, bro. You're very welcome. Become a member. It's well worth the money. Hi, Henrik Fisker on Bloomberg. I'll try and catch it late. I love the Alaska. Believe it or not, it's a real winner. Volume is going up again. By the way, Mark, I love your Tumblr. I don't have Discord, but I wanted to let you know. You bought the Tumblr. This was this one here. Is this what you got? The Virgin Galactic one? Which one did you get? The Virgin Galactic to $100? The Martyn Lucas mug? The anniversary? Which one did you get? How cool is that? We got a few. Oh, this Tumblr. You got this one. Didn't you get that one? You got that one there. Thank you ever so much indeed. Thank you. Yeah. Thanks for that. I appreciate it. If you send a picture in, I'll put it on the show, and you can be on the show. I'd love that. Anyway, got my average down. Great. Sold by Energy. What part of the UK? Cornwall. My studio is here in Dallas, Texas. So I've got home in Cornwall and my studio's in Texas. What is the volume now? We just did it. Shauna became a member. Welcome in, Shanna. If we're not flying the flag for your country as a member, let me know and I will fly the flag for you in your country. Okay, I've got to end the show now because I'm about to go to my music studio for the concert tonight. That starts in half an hour. Welcome. $5 super chat. You just got a free stock review. Just ignore the trolls, Martyn. No, I answer everyone. Everyone has a voice, and the reason for that is I expose everybody. You're doing a great job. Thank you, Singapore. Hey, Jojo, you're back. How do I become a member? You become a member like this. There you go. There is the link in the chat. Became a member. That was quick. Martyn, should I buy Fisker now? Well, I'm not going to advise you what to do. I'm just giving you the facts as they are. Jim, buy. Bloomberg, thank me later. Thank me later. Welcome, Rick. $5 super chat. Jim, you just got a free stock review. I just watched Henry on Bloomberg today, and he said he seemed really upset, saying they want to kill us, likely hinting at Elon Musk. Elon Musk, we know what's happened with Elon Musk, with Marcus Brownlee. I exposed all of that. Elon Musk,
Garth Brooks, if tomorrow never comes tonight.
Yep, you've got it in the live concert tonight. You can have Garth Brooks. I will do that. For those who don't know what we're talking about, here, I'm the world piano man. I've toured all over the world with celebrities and I've done all sorts of stuff. Here is my music studio. I'll be live here in a minute and we're going to do Garth Brooks as our first request. If you want to join me and celebrate Fisker tonight, you can, all right? So you can do that. Rick, last free stocks review for you today. They've not given me a review. Hello, glad to be here. Okay, remember now, how to figure out, utilize your knowledge and help. Mew Crypto. I've been waiting for you. Mew Crypto. I can now take you off the list. I've been waiting for you. Your review that you asked me to do, I've made it for you. Here is Sunover. Here is your video. It went out today. Sunover. We've already got members messaging the CEO to be on the show. We've got ASTI, Kevin B is getting the CEO on the show. I've already interviewed 2 CEOs and we've got more coming up. Let me give you the link to your video. If you want to promote it and you want to get the CEO on the show, the information for how to contact the CEO is below the video. Thank you, Mohammed.
Mohammed Ali Saad has become a member.
There is your video. It's just premiered. I've made it for you. Members are already contacting the company, try to get them on the show. As you know, we do a Meet the CEO series. Below the video is the Meet the CEO link. The invitation, and what you do, you'll find it here. There it is. That's the video you use to interview the CEO. Send them that along with the video, tag in social media, and we'll get the CEO on the show. CEOs have told me they prefer talking on here than CNN, Mad Money, Jim Cramer. They prefer it because it's more honest, it's more real, and we're trending now #1 for all our stocks. And also, it's more honest. There's no bullshit. No one can sponsor me to say anything. No matter how much money you give me, it's not going to get me to say anything. All right?
Geeta Stick, appreciate you.
Yeah. Should I buy 100,000 shares? I don't give financial advice. I only share with you the facts. That's it. I don't pump the stock. I don't own the stock. How do we use the free stock review? Sorry, I keep bombing. No, you don't. You are a member of my channel and you are entitled now to be on the show. What we do, I've got to end the show now. Pick a stock that you want me to review and I will add it to the list. It's going to go, it'll be done on Monday and made for you. So Jim Debussy, pick a stock and I will review it for you. 5,000 shares now. It's way too cheap now. Damn, I want a free one. I need 28.50. Volume slowly, unfortunately, but I was thinking that it was happening. Can't afford to buy that cheap. FSR is still affordable. I'm long-term. Garth Brooks in the show tonight. Yes. Okay. Beautiful Cornwall. Yes, indeed. What do you think about Mullen, terrible. Dave Mitchery set it up just to scam people. We've proved it over and over again. Rubbish stock. I'm from the Northeast. Beautiful. I love it. Northeast. I'm from Cornwall. Kevin B, appreciate you. Okay. Great. Thanks. I saw it. How to make a request for a stock review. Jay Lucas, if you are a member of the channel, you just simply ask me in the chat and I will do it for you. Jay Lucas, you are a member. At the moment, I'm not taking any free requests though, at all. You have to super chat if you want to bump to the top, and I'm not even taking any super chatted ones at the moment. I've got too many to complete. If you ask me on Monday, you can super chat for more for your review. I've just been given 3 reviews to do for Monday, so I can't take any more. All right, super chat me on Monday, and I'll do it on Tuesday. See what I can do with the CEO. Get to work, Mew Crypto. Okay. Zom just voted down. Seduce Space. What about it? Can you review Shanna? Was Shanna one of the ones that that was bought by Yardstick? He bought Rick, Jim, and Shanna. Yes, Shanna, you can have a review. I'm writing it down for you. It'll be done on Monday. So it's, what would you like? Can you give me the name of the business, please? HQGE. Can you give me the name of the business as well? I need that as well. That's Shanna, TAUNA. UCK. Shanatuk, that'll be done. That was bought for you by Yardstick. Thank you. Yes. Shana. Let me go to members only. We're getting too many comments. I can't deal with them all. So let me change it to members only. Okay, we've got to end the show now. Here we go. Members only. Save this. Okay, so Shauna, just give me that. Zom is my choice. Zomedica. Okay, this is for you as well. Jim, this will be done on Monday. Jim, no more super chats, please, for reviews. I can't do any more until Monday. Till Tuesday, I beg your pardon. Jim Debussy. We're live every day. Join us to get the update or click subscribe or ring the bell. Zom, Z-O-M-E-D-I-C-A. Okay. Okay. I've got yours written down. There was one more person. I missed it. Thank you. Oh, HG Global. HG Global. Thank you. HG Global Education. Okay. Right. No more super chats for reviews. One more review, for volume on Fisker. We were at 358 million. We are now at 359 million. We've just moved up slightly. So it looks like we are slowing down now. There could be some late night action. Sorry, Martin, just joined. What is Super Chat? What is Super Chat? A Super Chat is this. I will share with you. I've no more questions now, guys. I've got to get ready for the concert this evening. This is what a Super Chat is. Over here, this is the chat. You see the little dollar sign there? You can do membership gifting, super chat, super stickers. So basically, as part of being a member, I give you a free review. I make a video. I study a stock. We can get the CEO on the show. There's loads we can do for you for your favorite stocks. Okay. However, at the minute, I've got so many reviews. I'm taking no more free reviews at the moment. I've got 70 to do. So I'm taking no more. So the way to get a super chat, the way to get a review now is a members only perk, but you have to super chat. But because I've got so many super chatted ones now, I'm not taking any more until Tuesday. So if you come back on the show on Tuesday and you do a super chat, then I will add it to the list again. I don't want to take your super chat tip and I just can't do it. I don't want you to wait, all right? So I can't take any more. As much as I would love to earn, your super chat, I can't take any more. It's not about me making money. It's about me providing the best service, and I can't take any more. Right, folks, that's it tonight. I hope you've all enjoyed this live event for Fisker. What's going to happen now? If you've enjoyed tonight and you want to have some fun with me, behind me now, I'm going to be live in a few minutes in my music studio. I'm going to get a beer. We're going to get drunk. We're going to lark around. We're going to sing some Garth Brooks. Apparently, that's been requested. I was voted as the world piano man. I performed in London, the West End stage, Phantom of the Opera. I've had my own Vegas show, all sorts. So you'll see all that live. All this lights up and comes to life in a minute. So if you'd like to join me for that show in a minute, you are very, very welcome. Grab a beer, come and join me, and we'll carry on celebrating Fisker. And what we might get is an after hours pop. All right. So let me give you the link to my music channel. Here it is in the chat. There is the link to my music channel. It's on the homepage of this channel. You can't really miss it. Okay, there is the homepage where we are right now. If you scroll down there, there is the extras channel. That's a 24-hour chat. Not tonight, it won't be, because I'm singing it over there, so it won't be there. All right, but that's where we have the 24-hour chat. This is my music channel, and there is the event. There I shall be in a few minutes' time. So there is the link. It's literally, I'm about to start the moment I end this. So if I give you all the link, perhaps you will join me. I'm coming to sing. Jim Debussy is coming. Jim Debussy is coming. You can have a request. Now, Jim, as you become a YouTube member, another perk that you get, and people pay me privately $500 to make them a video, like for their birthday, you get a request for free because you could become a member today. So it's another little perk for you. There is the link in the chat. All right. All right. And what I'm going to do is give it to my Rumble audience, because you don't know this, but we're being watched on Rumble and Facebook and everywhere else. Like basically everywhere. All right. It's not just here. Okay. Now you'll see me set up the studio on the extra channel for a few minutes. You'll see me walking around, picking my nose and farting, probably swearing, going, who was that bloody idiot who came in earlier? Stuff like that. Stuff you don't want to see. Rick gave his stock review. Rick, is Rick somebody that I missed? Oh, was Rick one of the people that you wanted to give a free review to? I'm assuming it must have been. Otherwise you wouldn't say it, would you? Rick Stev Enton. Right, no more reviews, please. You can give me $1 million. I'm not going to do it. What's the name of the company? Can you review Alt? A-L-T. I need to know what the review is. No more reviews, please, folks. Thank you. Rick, you're very welcome. Okay, so let's just finish up. Bring you back to here. We're going to, just before we end the show, I'm going to send everyone the link. Where shall I send you to? I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Shall I send you to my music show? Yeah. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Rather than send you to the studio, I'm going to send you automatically. You don't have to do anything. I'm going to send everyone behind the scenes first of all. Okay, to the extras channel. So you're going to go here to the extras channel. Then I will end the extra channel and you'll all automatically go into the music studio. Does that make sense? So just stay where you are. I will send you here into the extra channel. You'll see me setting up the show. It'll only be 5 minutes. I'm going to down a beer, get down to the piano, and then I'll end that, and then the music studio will start. All right? Okay. Makes sense, right? Don't worry about it. Don't think about it. It'll just happen. It'll just happen. If you stay where you are, it'll just happen. All right? Let's have a look how we've grown today. We've had a busy day today. Hell, 1,000 views in the last 60 minutes. 18,200. Wow, we only started this channel 2 years ago. We are doubling our rate of growth every month. 1,000 subscribers a month now. It used to be like 1 subscriber a month. Anyway, it's a little bit different now. Okay, so let me send you all over here. You ready? This is the extras channel where we chat 24 hours a day, other than when I'm on a music show. Okay. Let me redirect you, send you to here. There you go. All right. Okay, good. I'll say goodbye to you. Jump into the extras channel. You can chat away. It's open to everybody. And then I'll end that and send you all into the music show. Come and join me. That's it from me. Thank you ever so much indeed. What a wonderful evening. Flipping heck. Are we going to get Fisker? It's already started. Is it going to go in the after hours or Monday morning? What do you think? Or are you all going to take profits and dump it back down again? Only time will tell. See you on the extras channel in a minute from now. Are you ready? Take care of yourselves and each other. Don't go away.